Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to look at Mortal Powers, which is an amazing Ethereum based play to earn game where you can go and create your own character with its own superpowers. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. So guys, jumping over to the Mortal Powers website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so here's a little bit of the story, kind of a mythical world, talking about the universe, different planets being plundered and attacked by various different groups. And coming down below, guys, as mortals, we can only dream of having powers of our own favourite superhero. Many a child on the playground has probably talked about being able to create their own superpowers and what they would be, and this probably continues today, and people would like to be able to think about how they can create their own superpower and how they can for their own avatar within this game. Players will then compete against each other to win Mortal Power tokens, or the MPT token, which is used not only for in-game assets, but also can be staked to get competitive and realistic yields. With everyday mortals in mind, the MPT was built on the gas-efficient ERC20 Ethereum network, which is obviously being upgraded literally as we speak. Our play-to-earn game mode will allow gamers to increase their skill and level by fighting with the MP dojo. So it's a pretty cool concept in general with the play-to-earn game tokens, as well as that being able to stake them for rewards. There's going to be a beta version of this game being launched in Q4 2022, which is obviously pretty much just starting right now. Now also what's cool about being able to stake these rewards is, unlike other tokens where you have to unstake them, you can actually get the rewards while leaving your stake token staked. So you're going to be able to get all the kind of profits, etc. You can either then stake that as well, or you can go and use these tokens either for in-game development or potentially change them into something and take the cash away. Now jumping into the roadmap quickly, you can see that phase 1 is about marketing efforts and building a community, building a team. So into phase 2, you can see that they're supporting some various charities with donations, and we're going to take a little look about that in just a moment. Mortal Powers will make quarterly donations to support humanitarian causes. Launch into phase 3, launch heroes Q3 2022. Obviously that's already happened, but we're going to move now into an NFT mint, which is going to be taking place in the next few days. On September the 8th, they're going to launch the Platinum whitelist, which is only going to have around 77 places. So if you want to go and find a spot on that whitelist, head over to the Discord and the Twitter, also linked down below, in order to do that. As well as that, guys, after that, a couple of days later, there's then going to be another whitelist for the gold whitelist, which is going to have 700 spots available, and then the public mint is going to happen on the 12th of September with around 7,000 places available on that. So if you want to get involved, guys, make sure you head over to the Discord and Twitter and find out more details on how you can get your space on the whitelist. Jumping down into phase 4, launch villains, which will obviously be the game. As well as that, there's going to be a airdrop for the MPT token, and the NFTs for the villains will also be launched. You can see the Discord again for more details on that. Then into phase 5, game pilot launch Q4, or the beta version of the game will be launched, and MP early adopters will also receive an additional airdrop for MTS tokens. All very cool indeed. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they're going to be giving away various charitable donations. Heroes don't all wear capes, so they're basically saying not just heroes within games, but there are heroes in the real world who do some great things for people in everyday life, whether that be like people like firemen, doctors, nurses, etc. guys. They're going to be giving away charitable donations to people who help other people around the world from various other non-profit organizations. So you're not only going to be playing to earn, but you're also playing to earn to give, which is something that's really nice and something that I think more NFT projects should be doing. Now jumping across to their Twitter page, guys, again linked down below in the description along with the Discord, you can see that they have a few of the avatars showing here, which is pretty cool to see. As well as that, there's various information on how you can get involved in different competitions just by liking, retweeting and sharing some of their stuff. Is going to give you the opportunity to potentially win a free NFT or maybe various airdrops, etc. And as well as that, you can get your space on whitelist. Obviously, it's advantageous to be on any whitelist because you get the very best prices and it guarantees you a chance to buy an NFT project. And you never know how hyped up an NFT project can get just in the last few days before it's due to launch, so make sure you go and check all of this out, guys. So in summary, Mortal Powers is a play-to-earn game where you can take part in player-to-player battles in order to earn various rewards. You can then stake those tokens and earn additional tokens on top without having to unstake any of the tokens that you've already earned. By staking, you'll also have the opportunity to win NFTs and take part in future airdrops and various other NFT launches. You'll get the opportunity to support various charities, and as well as that, by staking the tokens, you'll have a right to say what type of charities you want to support further into the future. So overall, a pretty cool game. Make sure you go and check it out through the links down below in the description. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about GameFi, NFTs, crypto, Web3, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.